Hello and welcome to this quick start guide into impulse responses for guitar players. In this video, we will be discussing what they are and how they can transform your guitar tone. Hi, I'm Jeff from Quantum DSP, and for those of you that are brand new to impulse responses, also known as IRs, let's begin with what they are. An impulse response is a digital snapshot of a guitar speaker cabinet that is recorded in a studio setting. It includes the entire sound of the signal chain used to capture it, which is the speaker cabinet itself, the room it was in, the microphone used, the amplifier used, and any preamps or post-processing applied. A true high-quality guitar speaker IR, professionally captured, will use gear that is transparent and does not color the sound. An example, using a clean power amplifier instead of an actual guitar amplifier, along with high-quality preamps and digital converters. This digital snapshot is an incredible accurate representation that can be recalled in one impulse response, which will give you some of the greatest guitar cabinet sounds in the digital realm. How can these impulse responses be used, you may ask? They can directly be loaded into your digital amp simulator, replacing the factory speaker section. They can also be loaded into an impulse response dedicated plugin in your digital audio workstation, also referred to as a DAW, or most importantly for us guitar players, nowadays more and more hardware units support loading your own IRs. These can be hardware pedal units like the Line 6 Helix, Kemper, Boss, or you can even use a reactive load box with your physical amplifier. Some amplifiers, such as the Mesa Badlander, has an IR loader built right in. So what are the benefits of using an impulse response? For starters, it is the quickest and easiest way to transform your guitar tone without having to spend endless amounts of time building a rig, setting up presets, or searching for that perfect amplifier. Believe it or not, speaker cabinets have the single and most impact on the guitar tone and sound. Many believe it's the amplifier or even the guitar pickups, but in fact, they have very little effect on the overall guitar tone. The speaker cabinet has a much greater impact on the final sound. Impulse responses allow you to quickly audition a variety of different sounds that were professionally recorded in a pro setting using the very best studio equipment. This allows you to have a great sound right off the bat that can be recalled 100 times and will always give you the same results. Some may ask, why do I need IRs when my amp simulator or hardware unit already has them included? Well, these units do a great job representing their counterparts, but are not always 100% accurate due to hardware limitations. These factory IRs are usually truncated into lower quality files, which significantly reduces their quality. This is great for beginners getting started. However, those that are looking for high quality, accurate representations with more consistency and high fidelity playback, custom, professionally recorded IRs are no match. So why use Quantum's hybrid impulse responses? Our hybrid IRs are high quality, fully mixed and processed impulse responses that were professionally recorded and created using cutting edge technology for phase accurate blending of multiple microphones and speaker combinations. Most third-party IR libraries focus on a single speaker and single mic positions, resulting in a massive collection of endless options, which isn't very user-friendly. This usually requires you to take on the role of a mixing engineer just to select and filter out something that will work. Not to mention the requirement of having the knowledge of how to properly blend all these IRs to ensure phase accuracy. Our approach with Quantum DSP's hybrid IRs result in the creation of pre-blended vibes already done for you and are designed to eliminate the guesswork and allow you to quickly implement full high-quality guitar tones and focus on playing and creating music. If you are ready to take your guitar tones to the next level, stop the endless search and time spent wasted on patches and gear hunting, only to lose all inspiration, then be sure to check out our Quantum DSP's hybrid impulse responses and expand your creative horizons.